Yeah, so this is gonna be a first. I mean, I don't have any mounts that let me talk to y'all while I'm driving, and I use my phone to record these little videos. So let me get this in position. So y'all gonna have to deal with the fact that I can't mount this thing up. It's gonna have to be in non-landscape mode. So yeah, I might not even use this video, just a voice. So yeah, this is our first little drive together. I guess, you know, I'm not used to doing videos where I have to talk. I'm not a vlogger, and you don't see my face in this, so it's not really a vlog. So what I really want to talk about is why I bought this car, and it's weird to be doing this and talking at the same time, because I've never, ever done this before. This is new for me. And yeah, let me get out my parking pass at my job when I want to get the heck out of here. So yeah, you might see some people who might be wondering why this guy's in his car talking to himself. And it's very simple. It's for YouTube, for you guys right here. And yeah, I bought this car. I want to talk about how much I paid, what my insurance is, and how much the tags and titles and all that nonsense cost. And I paid $1,200 for this car, give or take. And then you've seen the condition of it, you know that it's in pretty good shape. It has 139,000 and odd miles, almost 140,000 miles, which is decent for what I paid. And you see a lot of cars like this have over 200,000 miles, and this is why I got it for the price that I got it for when I paid for it. My tags cost me $430, and that's because I went to a place that was associated with the DMV out here in New York, because I couldn't take any days off of work to get this car situated for me to use it. So I had to have somebody else do it for me, so it cost me a little bit more money. But in hindsight, I could have waited a few days. I was thirsty to get this car and did it then. I didn't have to do it on that day, but you know, you live and you learn. I won't ever be doing anything like that again, just because it was more of a pain in the butt than it needed to be. So yeah, that cost me a ton of money, and I'm sure I need to get a microphone for this, or I'll just raise the volume up when I get home. Yeah, so the tags cost me $430. The car insurance is the thing that was really a big concern, because I thought I didn't have car insurance for years. I have what you would call terrible credit. Mostly because everything I've owned throughout my life has been paid for with money. And I went to college during a recession. That was many years ago. And yeah, the government went belly up, and so did my wallet. You know, it costs money to go to school, and the states ran out of money, and I couldn't go to school anymore. So yeah, I had a student loan, couldn't pay it because I couldn't find work. And I just recently paid it this year, so my credit is now in the building state. I had to build my credit up. So I was looking for a car all this time and really couldn't find anything that was within my price range, one, or find a loan. And that's when this car came in. I was really lucky, because the guy who was selling it, he needed the money so he could go to school, and it was an opportunity for me. He kind of lowballed himself, and I end up with the car. Now the insurance, as I was saying, is $383 and some change. Now, as I said, I have a clean driving record, for those that are wondering. I've never been in an accident, never gotten a speeding ticket, any of that type of nonsense, you know. It's mostly due to the fact that I have bad credit, and I have not had car insurance in over 10 years. Well, almost 10 years. And that's due because I didn't own a car. You really don't need a car in New York, but you know, I got tired of riding them buses and having to deal with the people on the bus. I'm not a rude type of person, but I don't put up with nobody's mess. And people on the bus think they can just talk to you any type of way because they're on the bus. Yeah, you can't talk to me any type of way. I don't care. So yeah, I got tired of that, and I didn't want to have to borrow my uncle's car every time I wanted to go somewhere, like visit my mother or go up to see my nephew or my brother and stuff like that. So yeah, had to get a car, and luckily this one is in pretty decent shape. It's gonna need some brakes, it's gonna need a few, other things that, I don't really have the money for right now. I got other bills I have to pay, wasted all my money trying to get this together. And I don't make money on YouTube. And I know people probably wonder, well, you bought a car for $1,200, what are you gonna do with it? Well, this is not like any other YouTube channel. This is my daily driver. I am what you would call broke. Super broke. I have no money. So this is not like Hoovy's Garage or Street Speed, where I can just go around buying cars so I can, make build videos out of it. No, I can't do that. This is what people do when they don't have disposable monies. You don't have just money coming out the butt. We have to do what we have to do to get where we want to get to. And I want to get to a place where I don't have to worry about, if I can pay the car note next month along with my extremely high insurance. So yeah, I had to do what I had to do, and this is gonna be my daily driver, and most of the work that's gonna be done on this car will probably be done by me. I'm not a mechanic in the least bit of the sense. I'm decent with my hands. I've fixed some of my cars before, but not none of the major things. I've belt changes and alternator changes, calibers and brakes and brake pads and stuff like that. I've never changed the engine swaps or plugs or spark plugs and any of that stuff, hoses, radiators, water pumps and stuff like that, thermostats. But with this car, I'm gonna have to do some preventative maintenance, make sure it runs the way I need it to for the next however long I'm gonna have this car. This is gonna be the flagship vehicle of supercars from the hood. And you think supercars from the hood, this guy gotta have some type of supercar and lives in the hood instead of lives in a nice neighborhood. Nope, I live in a decent house and not a decent neighborhood, I tell you that. I live in the hood. And yeah, I drive a BMW 3 Series, and I might do some things to make it more mine. But other than that, it is what it is. This is what I drive, and I might shoot some videos here and there with it, post it up on the channel if people want to see. It's definitely gonna show me trying to DIY my way through this. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. But I can't really stress about it. I'm happy with the car. I can tell you that it is better than I expected. I didn't expect this car to be as good as it is. And hopefully you guys can hear me from this phone. I know there's supposed to be a microphone on this car. The guy who owned it before the guy I bought it from did a lot of things to it. Added the keyless start, added a microphone for it so you can do phone calls in this car. I haven't figured that out. I probably will never figure it out. It might be too old for my iPhone X, and it's strange to say that the iPhone costs more than the car. That's ridiculous. But unlike the iPhone, I paid straight money for this car. The iPhone is basically a lease from Sprint. Like I said, I don't say they were the only people willing to do a phone deal with me because they need that money. But you know, you got a job. I got a job in New York. You know, minimum wage in New York went up, so you can figure out how much money I make a year without knowing what my overtime is, which is pretty ridiculous if I'm saying to myself. But I've been so tired lately that getting that overtime is really hard. So hopefully, with these little videos, my YouTube channel will get a little bit more love. And I hate to have to shoot this horizontally because I know there's going to be a lot of black box going on with this. So I'll figure something out. Might be able to space that a little bit for y'all. If I can't, then my apologies. I'm going to get a mount for this phone so I can start shooting better quality videos. Of course, eventually I'm going to buy a GoPro and I'm going to try to do what I can do with this. See if I can do YouTube the right way. And not saying that what I do is not right, but you get what I'm saying. So if you want to see more videos like this from me, I don't even know what the video looks like at this point because I just pointed the camera up over into the window. I don't know what I shot or nothing. You know, like and subscribe. You know, it's appreciated. It really does help the channel. Even if the channel is small now, one day it will be a lot bigger because I do not plan on quitting anytime soon. But I, can't really say what the future holds for anybody. So, with that said, if you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, dislike the video. If you want to see what I got planned next, come see what I got planned next. I really do got a lot in store for this channel, and I really want you guys to be here with me. With that said, I'll catch you next time.